Hello students, so today we will do sum number 24 of exercise 13.2. So students, see in the statement given figure is given, you have to find angle AOD. This complete angle in which 3x is there, 2x is there and 7 is there. We have to find this complete angle AOD. If we find the value of x, we can put the value and we can directly find the value of AOD and BOC as well. BOC, where is your BOC? BOC is simply 2x. Find the value of x in both. If you will find the value of x, both your answers will be easily solved. So see what we will do. You can see this complete angles. Now 95 is given, 115 is given, and this complete angle is equal to 360 degree. They are around O. All angles are formed around O and they are making a complete angle. So we will write in given figure, start from 115. I am not writing the name of the angles. You can write the name of the angles also, no worry. In previous sums I have written. Now I am simply writing 115 plus 95 plus 3x plus 2x degree plus 7 is equal to 360 degree. Can you see why I have written 360 degree? Because they are making a complete angle. I have started from here. You can write DOE plus EOA plus AOB plus BOC. You can write like this also. I have not written because I have written previous all the sums. So reason is complete angle. Here you write complete angle. So this is your reason. You can write it in bracket. I don't have space here. You write in front of that. And now see, 115 and 95 will give you 217 degree, and these x 115, 95 and 7 is also there. All these three numbers will give you a total of 217, and then 3x and 2x will give you 5x. It is 360 degree. 5x is equal to 360 minus 217 degree. 217, when you will subtract from 360, you will be getting 143 degree. Okay, and then x is equal to 143 divided by 5, which will give you, I think so, 28.6. 5 to the 10, 43. 43 at 8, 40. 3 is left. Then put point. Take 0, 30 at 6. You can divide it. You can divide 143 by 5. Okay. So you will be getting 28.6. So x is 28.6. So therefore you want two answers. Which one? First AOD you want. Angle AOD. And you can see AOD is the sum of AOD, this angle he is talking about, this full angle. Okay, so what we will do, we will just write AOD is the sum of 3x degree plus 2x degree plus 7 degree. So 3x means 3 multiply 3x and 2x will give you 5x plus 7 degree. 5 multiply what is x? 28.6 plus 7. 5 multiply 28.6 will give you again 143. Same as you know, we have divided it and we got this. Plus 7. Then your answer will be 150 degree. So AOD is 150 degree. See the student. See AOD 150 degree. And next angle we want to find angle BOC. So BOC is 2x degree. 2 multiply x. What is x? 28.6. So the value will be 57.2 degree. So this is your sum.